Hey guys, what's up? Lorenzo here. Happy Thursday. And topic for today is okay. I just want to share with you a film that is going to premiere on Netflix tomorrow, Friday. It's called The Rip. It's directed by Joe Carnahan. All right, if Joe Carnahan, you've heard of him. He made some pretty good films that I enjoyed. And one of those is Smoking Aces. All right, who remembers that film? Or what did he make? Narc. He made a film called Narc. Okay. And Cop Shop, the one of Gerard Butler. And my idol, Frank Grillo. And he did another one. Oh, the sci-fi one, Boss Level. And I think he also did the A Team with Liam Neeson. So, sum it up, most of his films deal with special forces or law enforcements. It shows the good, the bad, and the ugly side of them. So it's interesting. He has a new one, The Rip, is also about law enforcers, but this time, uh, it stars Matt Damon and Ben Affleck. Those two guys, they're also my idols. You know, when they did Good Will Hunting, which was a very beautiful film. That one was directed by Gus Van Sant. All right, that's a good film. If you haven't seen Good Will Hunting, they wrote it. Those guys, Matt and Ben. You know, very talented writers. They even wrote The Last Duel by Ridley Scott, my favorite director. So, yeah, it stars the two of them where they play dirty cops who plan to steal money from this house that they raided. And what they don't know is that the money that they're stealing from are pretty hairy guys, you know, and not the guys you want to deal with. So interesting, right? But the more interesting thing is that what I learned is that it's inspired by a true story. It's based on true accounts. All right. So bravo, you know, it looks like something to watch, something that is not nonsense, something that is important to see, and something you'd pay to see or subscribe to see, which is good. Joe Carnahan makes good quality, mid-budget or independent films that we lack, and we need more of those. And yeah, I just want to say thank you to Joe Carnahan for feeding my tummy, my brain, not the tummy, the brain, and the eyes. Good films. So thank you, sir. Hope to meet you one day. Um, Either to visit your set, to assist you in directing, even to the point of buying you coffee, or giving you water and all that. So yeah, so that guys is an example of good films, good, well-made independent films, because there's no other way to put it, and there's no other better way to make it. Yeah, so that's it. What else? Yeah, so my fan is making some pretty funny noises there. I think a fly must have entered, so that's for me to find out. So anyway, guys, that's it. That's it for today. Hope you enjoy your evening. Stay healthy, exercise, and pray to the Almighty. Thank everything. And that's it, guys. Ciao, guys. Cheers.